I'm going to give it a try. This may be long enough for one use I have for it. This is a liquid transfer pump that I found on eBay, and I know HF Harbor Freight sells them as well, but I don't know how well they work. But some idiot overfilled my coolant recovery tank. Poor old car here was running a little warm and it needed some coolant, so yeah, the idiot put it in there and didn't look at the bottle, and sure enough it needed to be 50-50. It wasn't. It was fully concentrate. So I'm going to take it out of the bottle with one of these or two of these hoses, and we'll see what happens. So I've attached the two large orange lines, and they have little rubber connectors that push over that tighten these up pretty good, keep a good vacuum or seal on it. Okay, I believe this line is the suction line, and then this line is the output line. It comes with numerous little fittings. You can actually use this as an air pump, and if you need to, along with a couple extra little hoses and things. Well, let's see how this works. Alrighty, once you got your lines where you need them, you pump this handle here, and it'll actually act as a suction, which actually creates a gravity flow situation. So if you can put a container below whatever you're trying to drain out, it will make it go faster. It's not really designed as a pump, I don't think, unless you're using it for air, but it's the instructions, which are difficult to read right there, are saying that once you get that handle pumped a few times here, okay, I could actually hear it pumping in when I'm pumping the handle back and forth, and see if I can get some gravity flow out of it. I believe I have some gravity flow coming out of it now. Seems to be very slow, but it does work when I pump the handle, so that's what I'm going to keep doing, is pumping the handle. Well, that's it. There ain't no more. Pretty short video, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And now I can put regular distilled water in my overflow with some of this mixed, and maybe it won't overheat, but if it does, you know me, I'll be back. Hope all your repairs go well, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to give me a thumbs up. This is Steve AZ 711, aka Cars, Trucks, and Detours. Bye for now.